Have you ever caught yourself squinting just to read the menu at a restaurant? Or maybe leaning in closer to the television, still unable to make out the faces? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. I've seen it in so many of my patients, smart, active seniors who slowly begin to lose something so precious they didn't even realize it was slipping away, their vision. That's why we always emphasize eye health in our elderly care tips, because protecting your sight is just as important as protecting your heart or bones. As we get older, we have a higher risk of developing an eye disease such as glaucoma, cataracts, or macular degeneration. Many people also find that their eyesight and their vision gets worse as they struggle to see or read print clearly. You may experience dry, irritated or itchy eyes, eye strain from staring at phones and computers, or a type of nerve damage called retinopathy. You see, if you don't eat the right foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals, the nerves and the tiny blood vessels in your eyes can become damaged, causing poor eyesight and the eye diseases that I just talked about. Fortunately, there are natural ways to increase eyesight through nutrition, and certain foods you can eat on a regular basis will help improve the health of your eyes, both to repair and protect them and to keep them well lubricated so they remain bright and shiny. And that's exactly what we will be talking about in today's video. Real, practical advice for the elderly who want to protect their vision naturally. Just my usual reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. So do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. But here is the good news. There are simple, natural ways to fight back. I'm not talking about expensive treatments or complicated routines. In fact, some of the most powerful vision supporting nutrients are hiding in the foods you already know. Foods that could literally help rebuild and protect your eyesight starting today. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Elderly Care Tips. This is where we talk about real solutions for real seniors. If you find this helpful, feel free to subscribe so you never miss a chance to live healthier, longer, and with more clarity. Let's begin. The first and very powerful food for your eyes is wild salmon. Wild salmon is one of the best foods for improving both your vision and your eye health, as it's packed full of DHA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid. DHA is the raw material that's used to build the nerves and the tissues in your eyes, helping the photoreceptors send visual signals to your brain so that you can see clearly. It's recommended to eat only fish at least 3 times per week like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring to boost your DHA intake. The omega-3s found in these fish help to lower inflammation in the eyes, protecting against free radical damage as you age. And they also help your tear glands to produce tears that lubricate and protect your eyes from the environment, making wild salmon an ideal addition to any elderly nutrition plan focused on protecting long-term vision. And the best part? Salmon is incredibly easy to prepare. You can grill it, bake it, or saute it. Pair it with some leafy greens like spinach or arugula, maybe a drizzle of olive oil and lemon. And you have got a meal that not only tastes amazing but nourishes your vision with every bite. So if your eyes feel dry, tired, or strained, think about what they might be missing. Chances are, a little salmon could go a long way. In fact, a study from the National Eye Institute confirmed that a vitamin A deficiency is one of the key causes of night blindness. And unfortunately, many people over 60 are unknowingly low on it. But here is the good news. Wild salmon are one of the easiest ways to give your eyes what they need, which is why it's often included in trusted elderly health tips for preserving vision and preventing age-related eye issues. The second food is Swiss chard and leafy greens. To protect your eyesight from worsening as you get older, it's recommended to also load up on leafy green vegetables that are rich in plant pigments called lutein and zeaxanthin. Swiss chard is one of the richest sources of these carotenoids, which help to protect against macular degeneration, central vision loss, and cataracts. In fact, zeaxanthin can help to build blue light filters in the back of your eyes, protecting them from UV damage from the harsh sunlight. Lutein, on the other hand, helps your retinas to capture light and color, sending these signals to your brain so that you can see clear pictures in your mind. So, start eating leafy green salads on a daily basis. Other veggies that are rich in eye-healthy plant chemicals include kale, mustard greens, turnip greens, and collard greens, all of which support natural ways to boost eyesight as you age. You might not have heard these names before, lutein and zeaxanthin, but your eyes certainly have. Lutein and zeaxanthin belong to a family of nutrients called carotenoids, and they do something truly remarkable. They act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes. Literally. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter out harmful blue light, the same type of light that comes from screens, sunlight, and even certain types of indoor lighting. Without that protection, this high-energy light can damage the sensitive tissues in your eyes over time, increasing your risk for macular degeneration and cataracts. That's why these nutrients are an essential part of Smart Seniors nutrition focused on long-term eye health. And here is what's fascinating. Your body doesn't produce lutein and zeaxanthin on its own. You have to get them from your food. Now, several studies, including research published in the Journal of Ophthalmology, have shown that people who consume higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin are significantly less likely to develop age-related vision problems. That's why I often refer to spinach as nature's sunglasses. It protects you from the inside out, shielding your retina from oxidative stress and the wear and tear that naturally comes with healthy aging. What's even better, spinach is incredibly versatile. You can eat it raw in a salad, saute it lightly with olive oil and garlic, or blend it into a smoothie for a nutrient-rich boost. Cooked or raw, it still delivers the eye-protecting benefits your body needs. So while it may not have the bold color of a carrot or the richness of a salmon fillet, spinach quietly works behind the scenes to keep your vision sharp and strong. Don't overlook it. Add it to your plate, and your eyes will thank you. Number 3 may surprise you. It's beef liver. Beef liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and it's one of the richest natural sources of retinol, the active form of vitamin A. Retinol is the most important nutrient for eye health, as it's needed for your eyes to adapt to different lighting conditions. It helps you to see well at night and prevents night blindness and irritation from bright lights, like when you're driving, for example. Retinol also helps your eyes to make tears to keep them lubricated and protected. But vitamin A isn't the only benefit of beef liver. In fact, it's also rich in zinc, an important mineral that helps to build visual pigments in your retina and strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes. Liver also has high amounts of vitamin B2 or riboflavin, which can help to prevent eye strain, irritation, and it protects the corneas. This is a shield around your eyes. It protects it from thinning out and maintains a normal shape. I recommend consuming grass-fed beef liver in the form of a paste, or to disguise the flavor, you can mix ground liver 50-50 with ground beef and use this in different recipes, like homemade meatballs that my wife makes, for example. Several large-scale studies, including one published in Archives of Ophthalmology, I've found that people who eat beef liver at least twice a week have a significantly lower risk of developing macular degeneration. That's why it's often recommended in trusted elderly care tips as a nutrient-dense food to support long-term vision health and protect against age-related eye conditions. Coming up next, a humble everyday food with a golden center and more eye-protecting nutrients than you might expect. If I ask you to name a food that supports your vision, chances are eggs wouldn't be the first thing to come to mind. But they should be. Eggs are one of the most affordable and accessible superfoods for protecting your eyesight, especially as you get older. They're naturally rich in vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in keeping the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye, healthy and functioning properly. Vitamin A also helps your eyes adjust to changes in light, supports clear vision, and protects against dryness. But the real magic lies in the yolk. That golden center is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp, central vision. These compounds help filter out harmful blue light, reduce oxidative stress, and lower the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. And because the lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs come in a highly absorbable form, your body can use them more efficiently than those found in many vegetables. Eggs also contain high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining healthy tissues throughout the body, including the delicate structures inside your eyes. They're easy to prepare and versatile, making it simple to get these nutrients into your diet. You can scramble them, poach them, boil them, or fold them into an omelette with spinach for an extra dose of eye protective power. And here is something many people don't realize: don't skip the yolk. That's where nearly all the eye healthy nutrients are concentrated. If you have been avoiding eggs because of concerns about cholesterol, it might be time to take a second look. Current research has shown that for most people, moderate egg consumption does not raise the risk of heart disease, and the benefits to your eyes may far outweigh the old myths. So the next time you crack open an egg, remember, you're not just making breakfast. You're giving your vision exactly what it needs to stay strong. They may be small, but blueberries pack a powerful punch when it comes to protecting your eyes. These little berries are rich in anthocyanins, natural pigments that give blueberries their deep blue color and, more importantly, support eye health in several key ways. Anthocyanins are known for their antioxidant properties. They help reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, particularly in the retina, which is one of the most sensitive and vital parts of your entire visual system. Over time, free radicals, unstable molecules caused by things like UV light, pollution, or even the natural aging process, can damage the cells of the retina. This can lead to blurry vision, eye fatigue, and an increased risk of serious eye conditions like macular degeneration and retinal thinning. Blueberries work to neutralize those free radicals, offering a layer of natural defense to help preserve clear vision. They've also been linked to improved night vision. That's because anthocyanins help support the function of the rods in your eye cells that are responsible for seeing in low light conditions. And it doesn't stop there. Blueberries are also high in vitamin C, vitamin E, and other phytonutrients that work together to strengthen the tiny blood vessels that feed your eyes, helping reduce the risk of damage due to inflammation or poor circulation. The best part is how easy it is to include blueberries in your daily routine. You can toss a handful into your morning oatmeal, mix them into a smoothie, sprinkle them on yogurt, or even add them to a salad for a burst of color and nutrition. They are naturally sweet, require no preparation, and can be kept frozen year-round without losing their nutritional value. Whether fresh or frozen, blueberries are one of the simplest and most enjoyable ways to nourish your eyes and protect your vision as you age. The next food on my list is shellfish. Did you know that shellfish are actually some of the richest sources of minerals and blood-building vitamin B12 for your body? Oysters, mussels, and clams, for example, are fantastic sources of zinc, which acts as a very powerful antioxidant to protect your eyes from oxidative damage as you age. Whilst crab meat, lobster, and shrimp are rich in astaxanthin. This is the carotenoid that gives them their pink or their reddish color. Astaxanthin has 6,000 times the antioxidant power of vitamin C, helping to prevent the eyes from degenerating. I recommend eating shellfish once per week. Soak them in a little vinegar and water for 1 hour before eating. This will help to clean them of impurities and also make their minerals more absorbable in your digestive tract. In the morning, start with something easy and nourishing. A spinach and egg omelette is a perfect way to begin. You're getting vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin right from the start of your day. If you're in the mood for something sweeter, a smoothie with a handful of frozen blueberries, some carrots, and a splash of almond milk makes for a refreshing, healthy breakfast. These ingredients are some of the most effective natural foods that boost eyesight, delivering antioxidants, beta-carotene, and plant compounds that nourish and protect your vision from the inside out. At lunch, keep things light but powerful. A grilled salmon salad, maybe with a base of spinach, topped with cooked salmon and a boiled egg gives you a triple boost of omega-3s, antioxidants, and protein. Add a few chopped carrots or toss in some blueberries for a burst of color and nutrition. For dinner, consider roasted salmon with a side of sauteed spinach and garlic. You could add steamed carrots or a small baked frittata with eggs and veggies. There's flexibility here. You don't have to follow it perfectly. The goal is simply to rotate these foods throughout your week so your eyes get steady support. And if you're craving a snack, reach for blueberries. Keep a small bowl in the fridge or sprinkle some on cottage cheese or yogurt. It's not just tasty, it's therapeutic. The beauty of this plan is that it's not a diet. It's not strict. It's just a way of eating that happens to be incredibly good for your eyes and your whole body. Even incorporating 2 or 3 of these foods a few times a week can begin to shift things in the right direction. Eating 2 or 3 of these foods a few times a week can begin to shift things in the right direction. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Your eyes have served you well for decades. Now, it's your turn to give back with the foods that help them stay clear, comfortable, and strong. If you have ever felt frustrated trying to read a book only to set it down because the words blur together, or watching a sunset and realizing it just doesn't look the way it used to, let me remind you of something important. You don't have to accept that as your new normal. Your vision isn't just about your eyes, it's about your freedom, your confidence, your connection to the world around you. And the good news is, the path to clearer, stronger eyesight doesn't start with a prescription. It starts with your plate. Carrots, spinach, salmon, eggs, shellfish. Simple foods that can help protect your vision, nourish your eyes, and restore something you may have thought was gone for good. This isn't about perfection. It's about giving your body what it's been quietly asking for, one meal at a time, with the help of natural foods for better eyesight that support healing and clarity as you age. Other ways to protect your eyes. Now that you know all about foods and nutrients that nourish your eyes, let's explore some additional lifestyle tips that you may want to use to take care of your eyes long term. Cut back on foods that contain refined sugar and refined grains, like soda drinks, fruit juices, cereal, bread, pasta, pancakes, donuts, sweets, etc. These processed foods deplete B vitamins and cause oxidative damage to your eyes. So replace them with the healthy foods that we have talked about today. Drink at least 1 liter of mineral water each day to stay hydrated. This alone is important for producing healthy tears that coat the surface of your eyes to protect them from the harsh environments. Apply a blue light filter app to your phone, PCs and tablets. Screens contain LED bulbs which emit blue light that's harmful to your retina. Blue light is a short but high energy wave and it can cause photochemical damage that irritates your eyes, and it can also affect your sleeping patterns. Blue light filter apps can be used to avoid this, or you can use blue light blocking glasses. Take long walks in nature, at least once a day, staring far into the distance whenever you can, such as the sky or other distant objects. This relaxes the small muscles in your eyes, reducing inflammation and preventing the lenses from changing shape over time. Cut out vegetable oils like soy, canola, sunflower, cottonseed, margarine, grapeseed, etc. These fats are highly inflammatory and have been shown to cause macular degeneration. If you'd like to, you can start taking a daily supplement of 1 teaspoon of virgin cod liver oil. This is rich in omega-3s and retinol, which will help to lubricate, heal and nourish the eyes. Alternatively, you can use Arctic krill oil, which is loaded with astaxanthin, a carotenoid with 6,000 times the antioxidant power of vitamin C. And if today's video gave you something to think about, a new habit to try, a little hope to hold on to, then I'd love for you to join this growing community of people who believe aging doesn't mean giving up on living well. Around here, we share real, practical elderly care tips that support your health, independence, and peace of mind. So if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. And if this message spoke to you, take a moment to like the video. It really helps others find it too. Feel free to share it with someone you care about. And in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods are you excited to try first? Your voice might inspire someone else to take their first step too. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of your eyes. They're the windows to everything you love. I'll see you in the next video.